A church roughly drawn with a pencil. If you give this drawing to the AI, wow! I write what I want in this notepad, and I write it roughly. All I did was throw a prompt input at the AI. To summarize the content, it goes like this. Now, please build an accounting system. Having grasped this short prompt, the AI unleashes amazing creativity. Wow! The moment I first encountered this feature, I gasped. It felt like I had discovered a wondrous world. Do you see the left side of the monitor screen? The AI builds the system based on my thoughts. This is the result after about a minute. Even for an expert, this would take 3 days.
I need you to personally handle the detailed design.
The AI receives this simple drawing of mine, creates a blueprint, and defines the building's purpose and use. The cover and settings sheets you are currently viewing contain the summary blueprint created by the AI and the sheet recording the building's use. The AI performs amazing construction work in advance using the blueprints. It is meticulous and flawless. Some of you may not have expected such detail, right? Please do. You will encounter results that exceed your wildest imagination. AI is a designer with the ability to optimize all needs, from necessary materials and equipment to required personnel and project dates, and appoints itself as a construction supervisor. The first floor of a building constructed by AI. The first floor is the offering input sheet. Excellent. It has even created appropriate headers indicating what database structure is needed for the offering input. What is surprising is that it has even entered sample data. I didn't ask it to. An AI that knows what I need and makes me happy with proactive work. Excellent. I should give it a raise. Learned that human resources will not be invested in this task, but let's go as far as we can. It appears the offering entry was done quite well. Could it be that it also created and entered the account categories, which are the brains of an accounting system with an extremely high level of difficulty? I am suspicious. Let's take a look at how the AI handled this. In the account category sheet, I see a direction slightly different from what I wanted. I wanted a system where slightly different account categories by year, annual account balances, and annual budgets were recorded in this account category sheet. Then I plan to look for a way to instruct the AI to modify even this design change from now on. That's all for now. Please look forward to the sequel.